If you're planning a trip to London and wondering where to stay, I've got you covered. Finding the right hotel and neighborhood in the capital can be tricky, but I've explored London extensively to help you make the best choice. Whether you're interested in Covent Garden, Camden, Soho, or the West End, I've got the scoop on the perfect hotels for every budget. My neighborhood guide in London covers areas near popular attractions like Big Ben, the Tower of London, Hyde Park, Buckingham Palace, and more. So, after watching my video, you'll know exactly where to book your stay in London. King's Cross and Amp, Camden Town. Best places in London for families. I decided to group these two cool neighborhoods together because they're really close, and they don't have many hotels on their own. But no matter which one you choose, you'll be in a great central location, super close to all the main sites. King's Cross is awesome because it has excellent public transportation, including trains. It's also easy to get to the airports from here, which is a nice perk, especially if you're looking for a family-friendly place to stay in London. And guess what? King's Cross Station is where the famous platform 9 3/4 from Harry Potter is. Kids will love that. Now, Camden Town is one of the best areas in London if you want a local, authentic vibe. It's lively, diverse, and never boring. Perfect for young people, with beautiful street art, cool pubs, and unique shops, especially around the Camden Market. Here are the best hotels I found in these areas. Rosewood, London. If you want ultimate luxury in London, check out this hotel with family rooms. Surrounded by tons of restaurants, bars, and parks, it's right in the heart of the district. Central Victorian House. For a mid-range hotel in the northern part of London in the Camden district, this is the dream accommodation. You'll enjoy your stay, whether it's just for one night or more. The Morning Camden. This budget-friendly place has a garden and offers free bikes. Chill on the sun terrace before exploring the area and enjoying the nice weather. Soho. Best neighborhood to stay in London for nightlife. If you're into live music, theaters, cozy cafes, underground clubs, and unique bars where the party goes on until morning, Soho is one of the top places to stay in London for you. Soho is part of the famous West End, the city's theater district known for fantastic shows like Phantom of the Opera and Matilda. If you love musicals, definitely check out what's playing in the theaters here. Why is Soho so famous for this scene? Well, it used to be the city's former red light district, but things have changed a lot. Soho is safe now and considered one of the best spots to grab a beer with friends. It's a real thrill strolling through the streets, especially after work hours. Pubs fill up and everyone's super happy, enjoying a great time with laughter, drinks, and dancing. While Soho doesn't have a ton of hotel options, I found some great ones for you below. The Soho Hotel by Firmdale Hotels is a fantastic 5-star option in Soho, perfect for those who want a luxurious stay. It's great for nightlife enthusiasts close to Trafalgar Square, offering amenities like an on-site gym, beauty treatment room, restaurant, and bar. For an excellent mid-range option in the vibrant district of Soho, check out Soho Stables. It provides easy access to the city and comes with some fantastic facilities. It's a solid choice for those who love the nightlife scene. If you're on a budget but still want to stay in Soho and be near attractions like Trafalgar Square, Soho Hostel is a great pick. It's within walking distance to an underground station and a park, ensuring an unforgettable trip. South Bank and Amp, Southwark. Where to stay for sightseeing. If you're looking for a hotel close to some of the coolest stuff in London, go for South Bank and Southwark. You can walk to awesome places like the Tate Modern Museum, the London Eye, and the Shard. Pretty great, huh? There are also lots of cafes around. One of my favorite things to do here is grab a coffee, a pastry, and chill on the benches near the Tate Modern. It's a fantastic way to soak in the awesome atmosphere and London vibe. Give it a try and tell me if you enjoy it. Sure, these areas can get pretty crowded with tourists, but they're two of the best spots to stay in London if you love strolling around for hours and checking out cool architecture. Sea Containers, London. If you're on the hunt for top-notch 5-star hotels near Waterloo Station in London, you've just discovered a great choice. This spot is a quick 7-minute walk from Tate Modern and offers all the fancy amenities you could want. Holiday Inn Express Southwark. Check out this excellent mid-priced hotel within walking distance to lots of nightlife options and key sites like the London Eye and Tower Bridge. They've got an on-site restaurant, free Wi-Fi, and comfy air-conditioned rooms. The Walrus Bar and Hostel. Traveling on a tight budget but still want to be a short stroll away from Trafalgar Square, the London Eye, and Big Ben. Snag a room here pronto. The prices are super affordable. Plus, there are plenty of awesome things to do in the area, day or night. City of London. For the urban atmosphere. I get it, it can be a bit confusing, but there's this area called City of London that doesn't cover the whole city. It's just a small part in the center with lots of big buildings. It's kinda like how they have Moscow City in Moscow, a bunch of skyscrapers in a small part of the city. This area is actually the heart of London, packed with history and cool stuff to see. Some folks also call it the Square Mile. If you decide to book a hotel here, you'll be surrounded by awesome markets, shops, skyscrapers, restaurants, and cafes. And if you're wondering about attractions, there's plenty in this London neighborhood, like St. Paul's Cathedral, the Museum of London, and the Tower of London. Cheval 3 Keys at the Tower of London. If you want to be just a short walk from popular attractions like the Tower Bridge and River Thames, check out this boutique hotel. It offers daily breakfast, modern rooms, and a fitness room. The beds are super comfy, ensuring a good night's sleep. Leonardo Royal London City. This excellent hotel is within walking distance of various public transport options and important sites like Trafalgar Square and Tower Bridge. A 4-star gem in London, it features a spa, a swimming pool, a cocktail lounge, and more. Maryland Lodge. Perfect for a trip with friends or kids, this apartment has plenty of space and is just a short walk from the Tower of London. The family-friendly spot includes 2 rooms, a kitchen, and a fitness center. Victoria and Amp, Westminster. Best places for culture and Amp museums. Combining these 2 areas is a fantastic idea since they're really close to each other and offer similar attractions. Victoria and Westminster are ideal for those wanting to explore the city's culture. In these neighborhoods, you'll discover top-notch museums, restaurants, and must-see places like Big Ben and Buckingham Palace. Staying here also gives you excellent travel connections from Victoria Station and easy access to 3 different subway lines. Westminster serves as the political hub of London, boasting a rich history. It's perfect for folks interested in learning interesting facts about the city. Trafalgar Square is found here, along with several cafes and pubs. Choosing to stay in these areas means you'll be just steps away from iconic landmarks like the Houses of Parliament and Westminster Abbey. Hotel 41. This is truly one of the best hotels in London. It's situated in London, Victoria, within walking distance of all the must-see spots, including Buckingham Palace. Get ready to be pampered and treated like royalty. Knox Hotel. If you're looking for great value for your money and want to be just a short walk from Trafalgar Square, restaurants, and bars, I've got an excellent pick for you. You'll love it, whether you're staying for just 1 night or more. Plus, you'll be right in the city center. Urbany Hostel, London. This is one of the best budget-friendly hotels in London, right in the heart of the city. It's perfect if you want to save some money during your trip while staying super close to Trafalgar Square. You'll also have easy access to the rest of the city and be surrounded by plenty of nightlife options. Covent Garden. Where to stay in London for first-timers. Covent Garden, situated to the east of Soho, is often suggested as the best place for first-time visitors to stay in London. Why? Well, it's simple. Covent Garden caters to all kinds of travelers and interests. In this area, you'll discover fantastic restaurants, lively markets, cozy pubs, charming cobblestone streets, and more. Plus, it's conveniently located and well connected to the rest of the city, making it easy to get around. Covent Garden's attractions offer something for every type of traveler. Whether you enjoy exploring museums or strolling through the streets soaking in the atmosphere, you can do it all in this London neighborhood. As for hotels, there's something for every budget. I've got some great recommendations for you below, but be sure to book ahead because Covent Garden is highly popular, and hotels can fill up 6 months in advance. Covent Garden Hotel. If you want a beautiful and luxurious place to stay in London, close to popular attractions like Trafalgar Square, Oxford Street, and the Royal Opera House, this one's for you. It even has an on-site gym and offers 5-star service. Z Hotel Covent Garden. For fantastic mid-range hotels in London's West End with an amazing central location, your search ends here. This accommodation is just a short walk from Oxford Street. Numerous bars, restaurants, and major landmarks. Z Hotel Holborn. If you're on a budget but still want to stay close to important attractions in London's West End, like Trafalgar Square, Oxford Street, and the British Museum, I recommend this spot. You'll enjoy free Wi-Fi and clean, comfortable rooms during your stay. And there you have it, folks. That concludes our tour of the best places to stay when you're visiting the incredible city of London. We will come back with part 2. Whether you're into the luxurious vibes of Covent Garden, the bustling energy of Soho, or the authentic charm of King's Cross and Camden Town, there's a perfect spot for everyone. If you enjoyed this video and found the information helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips, city guides, and all-around awesome content. Share your favorite London neighborhoods, or any tips you have in the comments below. And hey, if you end up booking one of these fantastic stays, let me know how it goes. Safe travels, adventurers, and until next time, travel forever on signing off. Cheers!